So now I'm going to show you how to make some measurements on the Venue 40. I'm going to go back to the patient. I'm going to choose different application this time. I was in vascular. I'm going to go hit application, and I'm just going to choose MSK right now. We go into it, and again, notice that when I went to that, the patient ID was blank, but it did not remove the patient information. I'm going to keep saying that because it really is strange to see that blank screen, so don't let it fluster you. So I'm going to go ahead and just get a basic image up on the screen, and I'm going to freeze that. And now I want to take just a measurement or make a comment on it. First, we'll do a measurement. I'm going to go ahead and click measure up here, and I'm going to get my caliper. Make one. I'm not lefty, so it's not perfect. And then I have my distance measurement here. I'd want to save that image because there aren't reports on it that's going to save to a report. If you need this measurement to save, you're going to click save once, and that will save it to the SD card. Image saved successfully. I want to take another measurement. I click measurement, and I've got my other measurement. If I want to make a third, let me say I want to make a change. I can go ahead and click grab down here, and it's going to light up when I click the grab that first measurement, and I can change the distance of that. I'm going to hit measure again. Let's say I want to change the measurement of number 2. I'm going to hit grab, and the 1 is turned green. I'm going to hit grab down here. The 1 is turned green up here. I'm going to hit grab again. Now it lets me change the second measurement I made. I set it, they turn yellow, and it's all set. Now when I unfreeze, those measurements go away. So if you want to save those measurements, again, you want to hit save, and that will go to your SD card for review later. Now let's say we want to make some comments on that image. We can go ahead and just get another image up real quick. Again, nothing real. Okay, now I have the ability to set a comment. I can use this keyboard if I want by hitting keyboard here, or I can use the annotations that are preset and enter them here. I'm going to click right, and it's there. I can hit the check mark to set it, or if I click the grab, it's going to allow me to move it around the screen wherever I'd like, and then I can hit the checkbox and it'll set. Once again, I can change that if I don't like the position by hitting this grab button again. And I can also change it there and move it around. Hit the check mark and say I like it there. Elsewhere in the comment, we can add an arrow. Put our arrow right there. We can hit grab, turns green, reset it. When we click, it's all set. If I want to delete that arrow, I'm going to hit grab. With whatever's turned green, I'm going to hit grab, and then I'm going to hit delete. If I want to delete the other comment, I'm going to hit grab, turns green, and I can hit delete. If I wanted to delete them all, I could also use this delete all. This print button, if you remember earlier, it said enable print and we turned it on. You can turn off that enable print, and that's not going to show up if you don't have a black and white printer set. If you don't have a black and white printer, you're going to be using this save button, and we'll get a little more into saving images in the next movie.